We arrive here in Sigiriya, and this is our hotel. I'm gonna show you. This is the room. Have AC. I'm gonna close the door so then the insects don't come inside. This is my view from one of the windows. The windows won't open because there are monkeys. When we arrive, we just see a peacock right there in this place around this area here. So there's a little table with light. Let me see the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. I guess this is the light. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. Has a toilet, hot water, and that's the shower, rain shower, noodle shower. Have Wi-Fi, and yeah, this is the place that have TV. Probably you might don't even see the TV with all this nature to watch from here. This is exactly like that. Ours is a little bit bigger. It's I think those are the small tree houses, but ours is it's a taller one, and it has this little porch here. Hey, how do you feel? How do you like them? Amazing, no? So then we can sit here to drink coffee or tea. And see, this is the other veranda, but you cannot go there. Yeah, our driver is our driver is leaving. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Yeah, he drove us from Colombo, and it was really good driving, and he was very pleasant too. So yeah, so more from here. So more from Sigiriya soon. So we have a lot of things to visit: the rock, then Dambula caves. So stay tuned. The owner of this property, we are, yeah. Hi. Yeah, he owns this beautiful hotel. Look at the pool and the room that we already show. And it's him and his sister, right? Yeah. It's amazing. We already see peacocks, and apparently the elephants can come in the evening too. We're staying in a tree house way there. So maybe we're gonna see an elephant.